All right, guys, just got done putting the frame together. The lateral slats aren't in, but my wife, if she goes ahead and does, go ahead, do the thing. Now, I know my floor is not crooked, and that's fully put together. If it was upside down, meaning it was like concave instead of concave is this way. But if it was like going this way, it would be a lot better because the weight of the mattress would have pushed it down. But poor quality. Anyway, that's it.
It's bent in and I can't get it unbent. So this part won't go in the bed frame. The box spring. The only part, see how it's bent in and you can't get it in there?